Are you taking the Duolingo test but confused about choosing the right preparation platform? Then your search ends here. Learning's Duolingo course is the perfect choice for any Duolingo test taker since the contents of this course are uniquely created to build a strong foundation that helps students to answer any type of question asked in the test. Let's see how this course will help you get your desired test score. This course covers 10 live online classes spanning over a duration of 2 weeks. All these classes are conducted in both group and one-to-one formats. No matter which format you choose, you can opt for any batch rolling from morning to evening depending on your availability. The course lays emphasis on all 4 modules of the test, including reading, writing, speaking, and listening. All question types including read aloud, describe the photo, listen and speak, read and then write, etc. have been extensively covered to help you get the best score. Alongside grammar lessons, 1 revision and 2 one-on-one doubt clearing sessions are conducted so that all your queries are answered before taking the test. Every topic in the course has been explained with the help of suitable examples, making learning easier and interesting. Furthermore, you get access to our expert curated online study material and video tutorials that can be viewed by you at any time of the day. No more than 10 students are enrolled in one batch in order to ensure that you have the teacher's undivided attention. All you need to participate in these sessions is a reliable internet connection and a laptop or desktop. In case you don't like the classes, you can get a full refund anytime during the first 3 days of starting your enrollment. So, hurry and reach out to one of our counselors on WhatsApp or give them a call to book a free demo class today.